What you got on there, Samuel? Could it be a shark? It's a shark. He's got a shark on there. He's fighting it. Wow. Woo! Attaboy, hang on to him, Sam.
Pulls you in, don't let go of the pole.
Yeah, you can go, but hold on to that pole.
Yeah.
Man, he's fighting you. Huh? Look at that, look at that. Huh. Yes, sir.
Todd, you want to unhook them?
Nah, Mike, I'm going to let you go right ahead.
Come on.